Hello students, welcome back to math class. Today we will start our new chapter number 6, Fun with Give and Take. This is the second part of the chapter number 3, Give and Take. In this chapter, we will learn about addition and subtraction. So first of all, let's see what is addition and subtraction. First of all, addition. The addition of two numbers results in the total amount or sum of those values combined. Addition is denoted by the symbol plus. Here, one example of addition is given. When you will add 2 and 3, you will get 5. So here, 5 is the sum of 2 and 3. Next, subtraction. Subtraction is the process of finding the difference between two numbers or quantities. Subtraction is denoted by the symbol minus. Here, one example is given. When you will subtract 5 from 7, you will get 2. So, 2 represents the difference between 7 and 5. We always subtract smaller number from a bigger number. Addition of 3-digit numbers. First of all, without carry. Our first example is 456 plus 321. My dear students, kindly remember, in math, we have to start the addition and the subtraction from our right hand side. Which is our right hand side? This or this? Yes, this one. So we will start with 6 and 1. That means we will add first 6 and 1, then 5 and 2, and at last 4 and 3. So let's start. 6 plus 1. Keep 6 in your mind, 1 on your finger. After 6, 7. So 6 plus 1 becomes 7. Then 5 plus 2. Keep 5 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. After 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 becomes 7. Now 4 plus 3. Keep 4 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 becomes 7. So our answer is 777. Next, 769 plus 230. First, we will add 9 and 0. We all know that if we add 0 to any number, the answer will always be number itself. So 9 plus 0 becomes 9. Then 6 plus 3. Keep 6 in your mind, 3 on your fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 becomes 9. Next, 7 plus 2. Keep 7 in your mind, 2 on your fingers. After 7, 8, 9. So 7 plus 2 becomes 9. So our answer is 999. Now the last one, 632 plus 415. First of all, add 2 and 5. Keep 2 in your mind, 5 on your fingers. Now after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 plus 5 becomes 7. Next, 3 plus 1. Keep 3 in your mind, 1 on your finger. After 3, 4. And at last, 6 plus 4. Keep 6 in your mind and 4 on your fingers. Now you tell me the answer. Yes, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 10. So it becomes 1047. Now, addition of 3-digit numbers with carry. Let's start. First question is 356 plus 247. Now 6 plus 7. Keep 6 in your mind and 7 on your finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So our answer is 1, 3, 13. But we can't write 1, 3, 13 here. So what will we do? Yes, we write 3 here and 1 as a carry. This is known as carry forward method. Next, we have to add 1, 5 and 4. So first of all, 1 plus 5, yes, 6. And 6 plus 4, keep 6 in your mind, 4 on your fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So again, we can't write 1, 0, 10 here. So what will we do? 0 here and 1 carry forward. Now 1 plus 3, yes, 4. And 4 plus 2 becomes? Very good, 6. So our answer will be 603. Next example, 468 plus 139. So first of all, 8 plus 9. Keep 8 in your mind, 9 on your fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So 17, 1, 7, 17. So 7 here, 1 carry forward. Now 1 plus 6 becomes 7 and 7 plus 3 becomes? Yes, keep 7 in your mind, 3 on your fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will write 0 here and 1 here as a carry forward. Now 1 plus 4 becomes 5 and 5 plus 1 becomes 6. So our answer is 607. Let's move further. Last example. 555 plus 426. 5 plus 6. Keep 5 in your mind, 6 on your fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we write 1 here and 1 here as a carry forward. Now 1 plus 5 becomes 6 and 6 plus 2 becomes? Very good, 8. Now you tell me, what is the answer if you will add 5 and 4? Do it fast. Very good, 9. So our answer becomes 981. Clear? Very good. Next topic is subtraction of 3-digit numbers but without borrow. Means simple subtraction. The first question is 384 minus 243. Yes, we have to start from right hand side. So first of all, we subtract 4 minus 3. So, in order to subtract 3 from 4, what will we do? Yes, keep 4 in your mind, 3 on your fingers. Now start your backward counting from 4. 3, 2, 1. So 4 minus 3 becomes 1. After that, 8 minus 4. Keep 8 in your mind, 4 on your fingers. So 8 minus 4 becomes 7, 6, 5, 4. 4. And at last 3 minus 2. Keep 3 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. Now start your backward counting. 2, 1. So here 1. So our answer is 141. Next question, 489 minus 177. So first of all, 9 minus 7. Keep 9 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. Now start your backward counting. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So 9 minus 7 becomes 2. Next, 8 minus 7. Keep 8 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. Now start your backward counting from 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 8 minus 7 becomes 1. And at last 4 minus 1. Keep 4 in your mind, 1 on your finger. Now start your backward counting. Yes, 3. So 4 minus 1 becomes 3. So our answer is 312. Now the last one. 786 minus 666. First of all, 6 minus 6. If we will do the subtraction of two same numbers, the answer is always yes, 0. Now 8 minus 6. Keep 8 in your mind, 6 on your fingers. Now start your backward counting. Very good. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2. So 8 minus 6 becomes 2. Now you tell me 7 minus 6. What is your answer? Very good. 1. So our answer is 120. Clear? Very good. Let's move further. Next topic is subtraction of 3-digit numbers but with borrow. Let's learn how to subtract with borrow. So first question is 618 minus 209. First of all, we have to subtract 9 from 8. Tell me one thing, is it possible to subtract 9 from 8? Obviously no, because we can subtract smaller number from bigger one. So what will we do now? Yes, we borrow 1 from here and put here. So here becomes 0. Why? Because we have borrowed 1. Now here we have 1, 8, 18. 18 minus 9 becomes, let's do. Keep 18 in your mind and 9 on your fingers. Now start your backward counting from 18. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So 18 minus 9 becomes 9. 0 minus 0 becomes 0. And 6 minus 2 becomes, come on, do it fast. Yes, 4. So our answer becomes 409. Now, next question, 345 minus 128. First of all, we have to do the subtraction of 5 and 8. But it is not possible. So again, what will we do? We borrow 1 from here and put here. Now, if you will borrow 1 from here, so it becomes 3 and it becomes 1, 5, 15. So, 15 minus 8 becomes, yes, keep 15 in your mind, 8 on your fingers. Now start your backward counting from 15. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So 15 minus 8 becomes 7. 3 minus 2? Yes, 1. And 3 minus 1 becomes? Very good, 2. So our answer is 217. And the last question, 409 minus 369. First of all, we have to do subtraction of 9 and 9. And you know what is the answer? Yes, 9 minus 9, 0, because both are the same number. Now 0 minus 6. Can we subtract 6 from 0? No. So what will we do? We borrow 1 from here and put here. So here it becomes 3 and here it becomes 1, 0, 10. Now 10 minus 6. What will we do? We will keep 10 in our mind and 6 on our fingers. Now start your backward counting. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So it becomes 4. And 3 minus 3? Yes, 0. So our answer is 4040. Our next topic is problem sums. The first question is, Khushbu bought a shirt for rupees 125 and trousers for rupees 165. How much money did she spend all together? First of all, write the statement. From the first statement, we can write bought a shirt for rupees, yes, 125. Second statement, bought trousers for rupees, yes, 165. Now here the word altogether indicates that we have to do addition. Yes. So total amount will be 125 plus 165. Now first of all, we will add 5 and 5. So keep 5 in your mind, 5 on your fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 0, 10. We will put 0 here and 1 here as a carry forward. Now 1 plus 2 becomes, yes, 3. And 3 plus 6 becomes, keep 3 in your mind, 6 on your fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. And 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So our answer is 290. So we can say she spent rupees 290 all together. Now question number 2. Baby tortoise is 33 years old and mommy tortoise is 150 years old. How much younger is baby tortoise than mommy tortoise? So in order to solve this example, first of all, we will write the statement. So the first statement is age of mommy tortoise. And you know, yes, 150 years. Then age of baby tortoise, and it is 33 years. So the difference between age of mommy tortoise and baby tortoise will be, what we are supposed to do? Addition or subtraction? Yes, the word difference indicates subtraction. So 150 minus 33. Let's solve together. 150 minus 33. So first of all, 0 minus 3, and we know that we can't subtract 3 from 0. So what will we do? Yes, we borrow 1 from here and put here. Now if you will borrow 1 from here, so 5 becomes 4 and this 0 becomes 1, 0, 10. Now 10 minus 3. Keep 10 in your mind, 3 on your fingers. Now start your backward counting. 9, 8, 7. Now 4 minus 3. Keep 4 in your mind, 3 on your fingers. Start your backward counting. 3, 2, 1. So 4 minus 3 becomes 1. 1 minus nothing. Nothing means 0. So you know 1 minus 0 becomes 1. So our answer is 117. So we can say baby tortoise is 117 years younger than mommy tortoise. Now question number 3. Arvind has read 69 pages of a story book. Gauri has read 95 pages of that story book. Who has read more? How many more? So first of all, in order to find out how many more, we have to find out the difference. Difference of 95 and 69. And from the question, it is clear that Gauri has read more. Why? Yes, because 95 is greater than 69. So let's solve together. First of all, we have to write the statements. So first statement will be number of pages Arvind has read. And we know that it is 69. Then number of pages Gauri has read. And we know that it's 95. So the difference will be, yes, bigger number minus smaller number. Let's find out the difference together. 95 minus 69. Now 5 minus 9. We know that it is not possible. So what will we do? Yes, we will borrow 1 from here and put here. Now if you will borrow 1 from 9, so it becomes 8 and this 5 becomes 1, 5, 15. Now 15 minus 9. Keep 15 in your mind and 9 on your fingers. Now start your backward counting from 15. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So 15 minus 9 becomes 6. Now 8 minus 6. You tell me the answer. Very good. 8 minus 6 becomes 2. So we can say 95 minus 69 equals to 26. So we can say Gauri has read 26 pages more. Now it's your homework time. First question is, Reena noted the electricity meter readings of her house. Last month's reading was 118 units. This month's reading is 193 units. How much electricity did she use in 1 month? And the second question is, Pinky the pig bought 36 apples while Danny the duck bought 73 apples and 14 bananas. How many apples do they have all together? Kindly do this homework in your notebook. So students, it is done for today. Further we will learn many more topics in our upcoming sessions. Thank you.